What's up, guys? We are out here at PPIR, which stands for Pikes Peak International Raceway. We got the 240 unloaded. We actually just had a driver's meeting not too long ago, and people are already out there starting to drift. Right now, we're actually getting ready to just go take a little tour of everything. Trevor's gonna give me a ride in his car just to kind of show me around since I'm new to all this.
Fill out the courses, like actually how to lay them out and stuff, or like actually, you know, how to where to go and all that other type of stuff. So we'll give you a little tour, and then we'll give you a send on the bank.
We'll see how she does after that. I think today's gonna be really fun for sure.
No, so I think you're gonna enjoy it. So
yeah, I'm really excited. We have Ricer Miata out here. Adam LZ is here as well. He's actually already out there ripping. I guess we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna ride along with Trevor. He's gonna show me around, and we'll hop in the 240 and just start having some fun. We also got Emilio's straight park golf cart just to get around, because that's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Don't gotta walk.
I survived yesterday, so.
Yeah.
Survived
somehow survived yesterday at the shop.
That's crazy.
But yeah, today should be really fun, so we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna be practicing like right over there, where that guy was.
This will be I would say the best place for you to start.
Is right here doing figure eights.
Some figure eights and some transitions and stuff. Kind of like the just a smooth figure eight, and then with I want you to play with your e-brake a little bit. So like come over here, clutch in. And just get like a feel for, you know,
like using the e-brake.
Yeah, the clutch and the e-brake at the same time, letting it off, and then kind of when to let out. And that's some really good like beginner techniques that'll kind of transfer you over here.
So that right there was the C track, just the little figure eight thing, and then this over here where everyone's lined up is for the B track.
Yeah, this is the other beginner course.
Okay, and then there's still the A track, which is the pro course.
The big course, yeah. The course basically is really easy layout, sweet flick.
Sick. Alright, so Trevor just took me for a ride in his car, kind of showed me where I need to go, and I really got a good idea of how everything's being operated right now. So I'm gonna start with the little beginner track. They're just doing like little figure eights. It was the very first thing we did in Trevor's car. And then if I'm comfortable with that, then I can move on to the second beginner track. And I'm probably gonna spend most of my time on that one. And then if I get really comfortable out there, then we can go to the big third course. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I just got the windows rolled down this thing because it's really hot outside.
You got it, bro. Get in
Yeah,
there,
we'll see how she does. And then I'm hoping the 240 holds, and then we'll let Emilio get in there and try it out. Let him feel his old car out.
You know, you get your rides in, and then maybe. I think you'll do good though.
Yeah, we'll see. I think the figure eight stuff I should have down, and then I don't know. It's building up to that big one that's gonna be crazy because, dude, they're out there just shredding. So.
I just want to send this big one already, dude.
Yeah.
It looks so easy when you see somebody else do it, you know. When you get in the car,
pretty
it's
intense.
Like,
But we'll see how she does. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing some figure eights.
Guys, I apologize for this. I'm trying to have Kyle download the GoPro app so we can get the ultimate GoPro angle. He refuses. So if it's a little bad, Rod Knock tried to save the day. I've already saved it a few times, right?
Yeah, you got me the mount, so.
But good luck out there, man.
Thanks, man.
Hell yeah.
You ready?
The drag strip is different because you're not allowed to have any passengers ever, so it's like...
Yeah, so Emilio can ride along with me. So that makes it a lot more fun.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go, baby.
All right. This is gonna be the first time really drifting it. Well, I mean, it's still kind of just like figure 8 first gear, but it's better than just an open parking lot.
We're on a track, dude.
Yeah, we have like a bank over here too, so there's some angle to it. It's a little more advanced. Not good at this.
Hey, man. You'll get it. That's why we're practicing. There it is. Good.
I need to adjust the seat a little bit. I'm like so far back.
He was right about needing a seat. I'm everywhere in this thing.
Yeah.
That was good though. Oh!
How'd it feel, Drifter?
It's harder than it looks, honestly.
Yeah, you just gotta get used to it. You gotta get that seat time.
Yeah, I'm still feeling it out. I'm trying to learn how to like use my left foot on the brake. It kind of like settles the car out. And then that first one, I was trying to use the e-brake. It's not doing much at all. Because Trevor told me to try it out.
Yeah, just keep feeling it out. Try different things until you like find something that works. You know? Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're definitely gonna spend a little bit of time on this little figure 8 till we kind of get this down before we kind of move on to the next one. So the car's not getting hot at all or anything though, so the fan seems to be working good. So I just don't want to go too hard on it because I would like to try to move on. I don't want to hurt anything with the car, but it seems like it's going pretty good.
Sounds good too.
Yeah, she sounds healthy.
Okay. Oh, now he's getting comfortable now. Look at him, look at him. Getting comfortable out there, bro?
Honestly, yeah, it's not too bad. It's easing out for a little bit. That was just the next second lap out there. So
Yeah.
I honestly feel like maybe that one more time, and I think we're ready to try the second one, honestly.
All right.
So I want to try to get this thing in second gear. That's just first still. Or we just go now and see what happens. Wanna
Let's
hop in?
go, yeah.
All right, let's try it.
So this is the B course. We're just on the A course.
Yeah, so I thought we were going to spend a lot more time in the figure 8s, but honestly, we only needed, what, that was like 5, not even
3 laps.
that was like a couple minutes.
Yeah.
And then we're moving on to the next one, so we'll see how we do here. We're going to be using second gear on this one, so I honestly have no idea how we'll do yet. And you haven't seen this at all. Like,
No, I
it
haven't.
goes all the way out there. So we'll see what happens.
Is this your first time on this course?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Damn, you get some speed on that one. We definitely need some seats in this thing.
Oh,
We're
I
just-
know, I feel it. I'm
We're
everywhere.
just flopping around.
I'm like hitting this metal thing right here.
I was about to just 360 it, dude. We'll get it.
Sending it. That was a good one.
You killed it too, dude.
Thank you. It's fun.
Dude, terrible, bro. You're killing it. Go for it.
How was it, bro?
I was starting to get it, dude.
You're addicted, dude.
Yeah, dude, it's fun. It's fun. I got like 3 solid, like 3 probably clean ones.
You got some clean ones. You're getting the hang of it.
Yeah, it's really fun.
So I'm just letting the car kind of cool off for a little bit.
It didn't get hot, but I don't know. I feel like
Yeah.
beating on it hard.
Yeah. You went like what, 10 laps just
Dude,
now,
yeah, we're
at
just
least.
hot lapping it. The car's running great, which is awesome.
There's not really a big line either, so you're getting a lot of
Yeah.
time.
But yeah, no.
For the first time out, it's doing good. Dang, they got a monster vending machine. Don't mind if I do. Oh yeah.
Jumping out again,
Knew that thing would come in useful.
right?
Everyone's borrowing it. Oh, he broke down.
You might need gas, dude. We were like doing a lot of things with it.
Oh, there he goes. Bye. Alright guys, so we just got food not too long ago. We let the car cool off and just went over everything. It was starting to spit some oil out of the catch can, so we got that cleaned up, made sure it's topped back up with oil, and it was spitting a little bit of coolant out of the overflow. Just got that cleaned off, and everything else looks pretty good. We were definitely ripping this thing really hard. You know, we were just hot lapping it back to back. I did not give this thing a break, and she's ripping. It's running great. The tires still look like they have a little bit of life left on them, but they are definitely getting really low. So here pretty soon we're gonna have to switch to our other set of tires. But right now we're getting ready to take it back out once again. I'm gonna be going back on that same intermediate course. Not yet ready for the pro level one. And yeah, I just wanna get some more practice over there. And I am going to be giving Will here a ride along. He's a subscriber and he brought his helmet. And since we're allowed to bring people with us, I have no problem giving people rides, and it's really fun, especially when you have someone else in the car with you.
Yeah,
So,
it's a blast.
Yeah.
I've rode with 2 people so far. This will be the first time on that track, but this one's insane.
it's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, when Trevor took me in his car, I was like, damn, they're flying.
Yeah, I was with the 350Z that spun out a little bit ago.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
But yeah, it should be really fun. So we're gonna go back out there, get some more practice. I was also thinking about letting Emilio take a spin after we get some new tires on there as well, because right now these are pretty much all used up. So we're thinking just blow through these, get the new set on there. Emilio can have some fun with it, and then after he messes around with it, I might try to go take it out onto the other course. So, but we're having a lot of fun. It is also about to rain, so hopefully that blows over pretty soon.
Yeah,
but we'll just get out there while we can.
You're already giving ride-alongs and stuff? This guy's a professional, dude. This guy just took his shirt off just to wipe down the windshield. What a fan. Yeah. That was nice. How was it, man?
Dude, that was awesome.
Look at his hair, dude.
It scared me.
Yeah, it's starting to rain pretty bad though, and I don't got any windshield wipers, so we can't see anything. This guy took his shirt off just to.
Yeah, I know. I think I got it on film.
It was sick though.
Hell yeah. So you're gonna take him for a ride?
Yeah. He's gonna show me how it's done.
Show you how it's done, bro.
Try a little left foot brake around that back horseshoe. Okay. And just feel what it kind of does to the car. It kind of settles everything a lot. Not too bad. That was smooth. That was really smooth. It's fun. Yeah. I like it. And it still feels like it has decent grip too in the wet. I mean, it's not super wet right now.
Yeah, that wasn't too scary. I didn't know what to expect, but it felt kind of like what I was doing with a little more slippery.
Yeah, but like your car, you were letting off the steering wheel and let it kind of self-steer, and then kind of grabbing it. That was good. Yeah, the angle feels good.
Dude, he's freaking killing it. He's like,
for a beginner,
like
huh?
This is like his like 5th drift event.
Damn.
Maybe are you been playing like Assetto Corsa or like been
The only experience I got is Wago in the snow. I mean, the subscribers will know, but that's it. That's all I know. And then this.
I mean, I've seen Honda, your freaking Wago in the snow, freaking slaying it in parking lots like 2 years ago. And had the D series in it.
Look at his smile, dude. He's addicted, dude.
I'm just happy the car's like working so good. Too. That's the main thing. Because I have my doubts about this car. It's kind of thrown together. It still is, but it's holding.
Now you have like that, like you're like, oh, this car has a purpose now.
Like now it has potential.
Yeah, and you could do something cool with it. Like, you know, you could use your truck and your trailer and, you know, take your camera out of state and like go. Yeah, that's the cool thing.
He's getting you out of state to drift already?
What we can do. We don't have to be confined to drag racing.
Yeah,
I mean, I love the straight line speed, but every now and then it's nice to.
And I like the drifting too, and like I'm like trying to do drag racing too, you know, because like it's cool.
We just love cars and ripping them, doing whatever it needs.
I met Trevor. We got an S14.
Yeah.
He started hanging out with us, and he got his Civic off the shelf after 6 years, and now he's K-swap all-wheel driving.
K-swap all-wheel driving.
So
he's stepping it up.
Now I'm about to build a Formula Drift car, so we're swapping.
Yeah, he's building a Pro 1 car. Pretty sure this thing's gonna have 1,000 horsepower 2J, full cage, Y-spab. He's gonna have sequential in it.
So dope.
I needed to line up next to him so he would have got me in the start.
Dude, that was so sick. I don't know how you guys control it that tight.
It's fun.
That's so crazy.
Doing in the spot, bro.
Oh, with the 180.
Oh! leak oil or something. That wasn't my fault. Gosh. Sabotage.
Hey, what are you gonna do?